I did find the Milan program and it felt special to me. And I think you get to a point where you're like, you want to be true to yourself and you want to share your message with the world. It just felt possible all of a sudden. So it was a shift. It was all of a sudden, I found the program and signed up the same day, which is crazy. It's been incredible. The women here have brought joy to my heart, my soul, that I haven't felt in a really long time. Like night one, we were sharing stories and digging deep, and there's been lots of laughter and lots of tears, and we've been able to empower each other. We've created this beautiful art. There's all this beautiful art everywhere, but the connection is something that we are like, we have private groups already set up to chat forever and talking about going on trips together. And it's filled this void that was there to connect with these women and hear their beautiful stories. And it's so inspiring to hear them. Each one of them has something so incredible that they want to share, their message. I did some art in high school. Like we were poor, so I colored with colored pencils. But I never could do it. I could never keep up. And I got too self-conscious. People told me I wasn't very good. And so I didn't pursue it. And there's always been this pull, this desire to be able to create the way I see. And I think I just reached a point where I got like the courage to be like, well, we'll see how this goes. So a year ago, I picked up a brush for the first time, and now I'm graduating. And I felt like I could never draw growing up. And I feel like in the program, they actually taught me a way to do it that made sense. These guys were like, hey, here's 4 different ways to draw, and it worked really well. So I think it's incredible to go in a year from never painting to having beautiful paintings to only grow from there. I love it. I think mentoring is great. I have had Rita Vicari the whole time from the very first assignment, and it was really great to have her get to know me just as I'm doing the first learning how to draw assignments, so that by the time I got to portfolio and was trying to decide what to paint, she was like, of course this is what you want to do. Like, this is who you are. It's been incredible to have someone that I can message all the time with little questions, or like when I was in a crisis of like, I can't paint or I don't know what to paint. She was always just very encouraging, and being able to message someone at any time of day and have them respond is really powerful when you're just sitting in your studio alone.